What is a P&L statement? Profit and loss statement. So otherwise known as P&L. So what is a P&L statement? So basically, this is a financial document that either you, your bookkeeper, or CPA has put together, and it is a collective of information. So let's say hypothetically from like January to today, which is November 2nd. So it would collectively be a P&L from January to November 2nd of my business snapshot. So where am I today? That's called a P&L, a profit and loss statement. So profit and loss statements are used so that your bookkeeper, accountant, or whoever it is that manages your finances or your books, your accounting system, they use that information in order to file your taxes. So it's called a P&L statement. Now, if you want to sell your business, you need to have these documentations in place. If you don't have these documents in place, you can still put them in place as long as if you manually produce invoices, those can be entered into an accounting system and therefore now create a P&L statement. So there are ways around it if you have never done it before and you're like, oh shit, I need to get my shit together. Then there are ways to put those manual versions of your invoices and statements into an accounting system and create a P&L. So again, a P&L, profit and loss statement, is definitely required in order for you to sell your business, because you can't just want to sell your business and tell people that you made X amount of revenue and then there's no transaction, there's no paperwork, there's no documentation of that. They want to see that. Just like if you were to buy that business, you would want to see it. You want to make sure those numbers are correct and accurate. So the other thing that parlays into this is if you're a cash only business, then you need to be doing some invoices for the cash, okay, a receipt of something, because you can't now want to sell your business and say, well, I was cash only, so I know I made, let's say hypothetically, $500,000 every year, and it was all cash. Well, you can't do it because you have to show that you actually were running a business and you did get $500,000 in revenue. And so again, this is not just for the person looking to buy the business, but this is also for the bank. If you expect to get an SBA loan or have someone get an SBA loan in order to fund or to finance the purchase of this business, documentation has to be in place. Hey, I'm Kat Ramirez, CEO and founder of 10X Business Broker. Follow me and learn more tips on how you can exit your business. You got this.